Yo, what is going on, YouTube family? Andre Money back at it again with another video. Getting ready to catch another bag here in this forex market. Before I get started, just real quick, go ahead and smash that like button. Give that button a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to be joining my live sessions with my students every single day, I jump live with my students. So go ahead and click the link in the description so that way you could be joining those live sessions and take these live trades alongside me and my students as well. Okay, let's get back to this. So EURUD and GBPUD are the pairs that we'll be going over today. The reason why, because we went over these pairs, I believe it was around 2-3 days ago that we went over GA and EURAUD as well, which is EUROAUD. So the reason here, actually pretty perfect trades that we had taken in here. We got in on both for sell limits that we had activated. Just a quick recap. The reason why I got in for a sell on EURUD, like I had mentioned, market here, we had our buy side liquidity right here, right on the daily time frame. So like I mentioned before, I think it was like 2-3 days ago, I think market was around this area right in this candle here. I had mentioned the market was going to keep on spiking up, clearing out the sell side, the buy side liquidity in this area, and to potentially come and clear out the wick that we have up here, which is the liquidity. So this is the area in which we all got in for that sell limit. So you guys got in, you guys should have been running in profit already like around 200 pips. Our overall take profit is at around 300 pips. So far, we should secure some profit at 200 pips, or you guys should secure some partials that move your stop loss to the stop profit. Just breaking it down to a lower time frame, which is the forward time frame here. Here on the forward time frame, we could see much better that entry point. So let me just zoom out real quick, so you guys could see that here. Yeah, so right here on the forward time frame as well. We're just waiting for liquidity to be stopped out from that area, from this high, which is that last bearish candle before the push down. What happened? Market came to that liquidity. Sell limit got activated. And we did face some drawdown, but we didn't hit stop loss. So we didn't hit stop loss. After that drawdown, we went straight into profits. I believe we had around, let's see, the 1 hour time frame, just so I could have a better. Let's see. So right here, our entry was right on this candle. Well, got activated right here. We were a couple pips away from hitting stop loss, but we got saved by the bell. So right here, what happened? We went into drawdown right away into, I think it was like 20 pips drawdown, if I'm not wrong. Let me check that real quick. Yeah, it was like a 22 pip to 25 pips drawdown that we had right there. So there we have it, 25 pip drawdown. Our stop loss of war was around 42 pips that we had for a swing trade. And we should still be running for sales, but you guys could absolutely secure those profits. Why? Our overall take profit is down here, right where we have the sell side liquidity. As we could see, and we did have distribution over here in the past. So our distribution was right. Oh, I don't know what's going on. So let's see me just, my laptop's acting weird. But yeah, let's see. So right here we had the distribution, right? We had the distribution. This upside is my buy side liquidity, which is the highs, and the downside is my sell side liquidity, which is the lows. So what happened here? Market came to the upside, broke through the buy side liquidity in this area. So when we break through that buy side liquidity, in some given point, market has to come back down and chase liquidity like a magnet. So market just reacts like a magnet when it comes to liquidity areas. So what happens after we stop out the buy stops here? Market and someone's going to come down to do what? To clear out our sell side liquidity, and which given point is currently doing right now. We're actually running in profit at this exact moment, around like 203 pips. Me personally, I already secured my profits. I already secured half of our profits. And my new stop loss, I have it right on the side, which is at positive, I think positive like 100 pips. Yeah, like 90 to 80 pips for my new stop loss, which if it hits stop loss, it'll kick me out in profit. So in that case, I would be securing 280 pips in total if it is to hit my new stop loss, because I already secured profits in 200 pips. So what you guys want to do, secure those profits. Right now, I actually got in for a sale not that too long ago, like actually an hour ago, I got in for a new sale. Reason why I got in for that sale, because in the 1 hour time frame, we could see how market gave us a new accumulation price candle right here, which is the last bullish candle before the push down. So what I go ahead and do, those are always going to be my entry prices. So my entry was actually right here. So if you guys want to get in for a sale, you guys can. Why? Because we came and tapped right into that accumulation price candle. Plus, it is also our 7.9 fib level. Came into our 7.9 fib level, which is our high premium area. Came, tapped it, and got immediately rejected, coming to a downside. So right now I am currently running in some profits. My entry point was actually right here, okay, for a short. By the time you guys see this video, I hope you guys could actually get on the sale. If it's already down here, I would not get in if I were you, because you should not be chasing trades. That's a big mistake that a lot of traders make, which is chasing trades, right? So my take profit on this one is going to be right here, same as my first trade, which in this case would be 104 pips, and my stop loss would be just above that high of that connection past candle, which would be around 14 pips, which that is my stop loss. In case you guys want to get in by when you guys see this video, this right here will be the profit area, and this right here will be the stop loss area. So I said right now, that is the trade I'm currently running for a new entry on EA. So for EA, that'll be off. Let's just go check for GPUD. Now would be the next pair. So GPR, I had also got in for a sale limit up here. Currently running in profits around same, I'll say like 200 pips, like around 145 pips right there. So we come into the daily time frame. The reason why I got in for that sell, you can check right here real quick. So I had mentioned before, I had also mentioned the market was going to come into the daily time frame, cloud the equal highs that we have right here, which is the buy sell liquidity, and come and tap into our daily accumulation price candle, which is right there. What happened? Market came into that buy sell liquidity, activated our sell limit, and we went straight into profits. So that's why one of the reasons why I got in for that sell. Simple trade based on a daily entry. Our raw take profit, it is at around 576 pips, which is on my sell side liquidity from my daily time frame right on this point. Actually, if we go to a lower time frame, we could most likely get in for re-entry. So coming into the 1 hour, we are currently right now running in profits. I mean, I personally already secured some profits at 50 pips, where I secured my first profits, and I secured second profits right down here, where we were already running around 173 pips. And right now, we're just catching that retracement for a new London session drop to the downside. Why? Because we are currently testing inside this accumulation price candle that we have right there. So by the time you guys see this video, you guys could definitely get in for a sale. If it's already coming down, I would not recommend you to get in for that sale, because in that case, you guys would be chasing that trade, so no longer be valid. So in this case, my new selling position will be right there. Take profit as well will be, I'll tell you guys right now. So I'll give you guys the stop loss, which will be right above that conventional price candle around 21 pips. My first TP, well, actually, will be same take profit. Swing trading this one all the way down here, which in this case would be for our second entry, a total amount of 431 pips. And well, obviously throughout the way, you guys could be securing those profits. But here it is. This would be our entry price for market execution. This one right here is going to be our profit area. And this right here will be our stop loss area, risking 22 in total to gain 431 pips for our last take, for our overall take profit on GPAUD. Obviously, throughout the road, you guys could be securing partials while market's moving. And yes, I am going to be holding this trade throughout the weekend since it is a swing trade. Actually, right now for this one as well, I already have a stop profit at positive 50 pips. This one we didn't face that much drawdown, only like around, I'll say like just like 15 pips drawdown that we faced on this one. Not much. So yeah, like we only got like 7 pips drawdown. So you guys should be up and running in profits when you guys saw this video. And if you guys did put that sale limit, that's great, because you guys are running some major profits. So for me, that'll be all for this video. And please go ahead and comment anything that you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see something specific when it comes to the forex trading, go ahead and put it down in those comments. And also make sure to smash that like button and click the link in bio, so that way you guys can be joining my live sessions with my students inside the Piss Profit Club. So I'll see you guys in the next video. That'll be all for this video. And everybody have a nice day and happy trading. See you for next time.